up in some kind of little prison and threw away the key. Oh, I woke up like this literally because I just woke up not that long ago. Yeah. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Yeah, I have no life. Sorry, I've been really busy doing stupid shit lately. So yeah, I haven't posted in a while. So yeah, I really don't know because I've just been doing stupid shit and like, yeah, 'cause I'm cool. Yeah. Hold on, say hi to Snapchat people. Hey. Oh wait, my hair looks ratchet. The ratchetness is taking over. So yeah, we're gonna play Here We Go again because that's what I feel half of the time. So yeah. Bag. The bag. I threw all of this stuff away and I cleared you out of my head and I pulled you out of my heart and ignored your messages. I celebrate when we got through 'cause I'm so much better without you. The is all the prettiest like a star breakdown every time you come around. Oh, oh, so how did you get here under my skin? I told that I never let you back in. Should've known better, didn't let you go, but here we go. And what is a draw? I know I can't quit. There's something about you that's so addictive. And something other next to by now I know, but here we go. Go, go, go again. Never do what you want, and you never say what you mean. It's just a common thing. Every time that you look at me, you only hear half of what I say. Not too late. Know that you took a goodbye, but it's no use. Give me with or without you. So that I never let you back in. You should know better and try to let you go. 'Cause here we go. Go, go again. Look at that, I know I can't quit. There's something about you that's so addictive. All it together, think of it now, I know. 'Cause here we go, 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 go. On the floor. And again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Every step away. And I clear you out of my head. And I told you out of my oh, 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 oh. So how did you get here under my skin? It's so that I never let you back in. You said no matter, I didn't like you. No, I can't quit. There's something about you that's so addictive. Roll it together, I think someone else. Go, go, again. Here we go again. Let's go. Here we go. Again and 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 again. Sorry, that was my grandpa checking up on me. Yeah. As you can see, I'm a pretty stupid person. So yeah, bye.